Today's event was the culmination of about 12 to 18 months of work with the Behaviour Support Hub, linking with parent carers of children with neurodiversity and mental health issues. So we've done a patient survey with them, or a parent survey in essence, a carer survey, because we're linking in with mums, dads, family members and carers. We had representatives from Foster Wales and Adoption Services today. So all invited to essentially listen to what the services are providing, learn the referral criteria, and also learn what they can do to support their children and young people at times that they don't meet the criteria. And the reason we've done that is because we've had a lot of submissions via writing, but there was still a void of information out there, and we thought the best way to fill it was to get people in a room together.
I think it's really good, because even if you don't get the answers from the speakers at the podiums, you get intermixed with lots of other people from lots of different organisations, so you can have a chat and get more information if you need it.
At the event I've been at here today, in the Mooney in Pontypridd, we've worked very closely with one of our partners, the Behaviour Support Hub, who have brought a bigger audience than we could have probably garnered on our own. I think we've had about 150 people here today, which has been fantastic. Coming together, parents, carers, professionals, volunteers, all interested in the same issues, which is really how do we support our children and young people who have either mental health issues or are neurodivergent. Without that partnership, we wouldn't have been able to have anywhere near the impact that hopefully we will have from what we found out today.
Events like today help immensely to put a face to the senior practitioners within services. I felt as if they were very willing to listen. They identified with a lot of the difficulties that parents would bring in. They were amazing, actually.
It was a really good opportunity today for the health board to actually listen directly from parents, and I think they were surprised in some cases not, by the feedback that they received. And it's hopeful now that from that feedback they are going to now go forward and make some changes to make things a better experience for the children and the families themselves. Hopefully they can see that there is need for improvement across areas, and it's not just happening to individual families, it's happening systemically across in some cases on some issues. So hopefully they will go forward now and make those changes, and some of those changes they recognise themselves they need to be changed, and they've openly said that in today's forum, which hopefully we will be seeing the changes, maybe not in the short term but in the longer term.